Hello guys, what a match between Germany and Curacao. Ultimate this match. So the unbelievable highlights and all the news between Germany and Curacao. So score is 4 by 1, 4 for Germany and 1 for Curacao. So here you can see live 55th minute. Musala's Musiala's goal in 47th minute. Herbert's goal in 45 plus 5th minute, and Livana Comencia first goal in 21st minute, and Nemancia 6th minute, Escolata Varch goal in 38 minutes. So this is very unpredictable. So now I'll show you live blog Germany versus, you can see like this is 55-minute foul, and attempts at goal, it's 54 minutes, very nice, and this is attempt 54 goals, and corner 54 minutes, corner will be provided in 54th minute, and again Floriana Wirtz attempts an effort and goal in 53 minutes, and Harvard's foul in 53rd minute, and again foul by Natianas Brown commits a foul in 52th minute. So now I refresh my feedback. So yeah, here is something for you, new updates. So yeah, now is 56th minute and everything is same. Yeah, 57th minute, Nathanael Brown from Germany commits a foul. Sit. So this is all of this, you can see between like, now we can check stats. So yeah, now we discuss about highlights. So Germany versus Curacao. Oh my god, what this? Yeah, everything is okay, data will be come. Yeah, now see, we talking about attacking. So attacking 56% for Germany and 30% for Curacao. Now we talking about goal. So 4 goal for Germany and 1 goal for Curacao. Connected 1 and 4th. Attempts goal, you can see 21 attempt goal by Germany and 4 attempts by Curacao. Now we talking about on targets. So 6 target was Germany and 2 target by Curacao. On target 7 was Germany and 2 target by Curacao. Outside the penalty was Germany 5 and outside the penalty by Curacao is 3. So here is difference between all of these. Now we talking about discipline. So no any red cards and yellow cards issued by referee. Yeah, foul against 8 by Curacao and 9 by Germany. Now we're talking about very most important point is set plays. So 7 by Germany and 0 by Curacao. Now free kicks by Germany is 7 and by Curacao is 11, and penalty score is 1. Penalty score is 1 by Germany and 0 for Curacao. So this is all of the highlight. Defending is forced turnover between Germany is 12. So here is Germany in charge. Julian Nagelsmann must be very satisfied with what he sees from his side. Apart from a brief spell, either side of Curacao's goal, his team have been focused, professional, and shown real intent. So very nice. So now match is completed between Germany and Curacao, and So surprise, Germany won this match by 4-1. Germany goal 4 and Curacao goal just only 1. Here I will show you all of these. Yeah, you can see here 4-1 Germany and Curacao. Live 61 minutes and the data who how many players put goals. So again I repeat, the first goal is Nemancha in 6th minute, then second goal by Curacao Livano in 21st minute. So we can also say that Livano is the only one person from Curacao who put it goal in 21st minute. After that we talking about Germany's player. So Nemancha goal in 6th minute, 38th minute Esquelater work, and 45 plus 5th minute, 45 plus extra 5 minute Harvard did the third goal, and the last fourth goal by Germany Musiala in 47th minute. So thank you so much guys. So this is all of the highlights between Germany versus Curacao match. This is very great match. We all are enjoy this match. What do you feel about this match? Just comment in the box and hit subscribe button. My handle, my YouTube handle channel is Goal Hype US. This channel created especially for US audience. So hello US, we love US. Thank you so much. Just comment your energy and comment your opinion. Who qualify for next round? Can Germany become next champion? Really? So keep it up. Watch for next update for next matches. Thank you so much. I am Ashish Raghuvanshi.